Good afternoon. I am Adam with AJD Builders, a local custom construction company here in Sonoma County, and I am joined by my lovely girlfriend, Jessie.
Hello.
And our new baby boy, Wiley. Say it again, bud. We're just going to take some time here to tell you a little about the project that we've been building over the last year. Bought the property approximately 1 year ago, and it was intended as a primary residence for Jessie and I. During the course of construction, however, there's an opportunity that presented itself we just couldn't say no to. So we decided to continue the build here and list it or potentially rent it out at completion of construction. So off the draw, you're seeing a lot of spec building, especially coming out of the Fountain Grove area. The fact that this was intended to be our primary residence, it had a degree of detail and caliber of building above anything you would possibly see on the market right now. For those of you that are unfamiliar with Santa Rosa, the Riebli Valley is just an amazing, beautiful valley in Sonoma County within Santa Rosa. It's a highly coveted area, and when you look around at all the other buildings that are going up right now, you can see that it's very custom, it's very high-end, the degree of craftsmanship is there. Not only do we have backup wiring system for the entire house, meaning if PG&E were to pull the cord on you, you could fire up a generator and power up the entire house, but we do have a solar system on the detached garage that powers the entire property. We're not seeing it out there. It's the first one of its kind in the area that I can find, but we have an exterior fire suppression system. All new builds are required to have an interior fire suppression by code. However, it is not written in the code, nor is it mandatory to have an exterior fire suppression. Why we think that this is important, if you study fire at all, it actually burns from the inside out. Once the fire breaches the home through the fenestrations, which are the doors and the windows, it actually burns from the inside out more often than not. For that reason, we installed commercial grade fire sprinklers above every single door and window that cast a 20-foot horizontal water spread and 9-foot each way. So when these sprinklers are triggered by temperature, they not only will protect the multiple sides of the building, they will give you defensible space by wetting the ground and hopefully putting out the fire coming up to the building. The County of Sonoma allowed for this structure to have a lower JDU unit. If you simply want to rent it out permanently to generate some of the income to pay for the mortgage, by all means you could. So another very cool feature of this property is you have a legal permitted downstairs JDU along with your 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths upstairs. We have built several homes since the 2017 fires. I've been in business since 2010. And believe it or not, we have never done landscaping ourselves. It's always turned over to the owner, or there's a landscape contractor that comes in. So with this project, we designed and installed, completed our very first landscaping project. And I will admit right here, right now, that I 100% had nothing to do with that. This was completely handled by my girlfriend, Jessie. I cannot believe the job that she did. It is amazing, and she is going to talk a little bit about it.
This was a really fun piece of the project for me because normally I work in the office. This home is on a large lot, and we wanted as much outdoor usable space as possible. So we had built several retaining walls all around the house. Working with a landscaper, his crew, and a local nursery, we were able to choose bright, beautiful, drought-resistant plants to fill the front walkway and parts of the backyard. All the plants are on drip irrigation, so there's little to no maintenance required. It is our hope that the landscaping and patio areas feel welcoming and comfortable to the next homeowners.
Thank you very much for taking the time to hear us out and watch the video. We appreciate it. If you have any further questions, would like to come out and see the property, we'd love to have you and show you around.